Hi.
Hello.
Z-Fam Mama and
A&K.
Anna with A&K. And today we're going to do our Young Living December ER order unboxing.
That was a really long title.
Yeah, it was. Sorry. Okay, so I just cut it so nobody had to see our scissors.
Scissors are dangerous.
All right. All of our fun papers. The freak your dogs out.
Yes.
And here we go.
Okay, so to start off with our monthly order, if I can open it, we have the freebie, White Angelica.
Oh, open that up. I want to smell it.
Me too. This right here. I don't want to look weak on camera.
Yeah, hide your hand.
Oh my gosh. That's incredible.
Oh, that's nice.
Oh,
that could take a place of a perfume.
Oh my gosh, yeah.
Totally. Oh, I like that.
Ooh.
Ooh,
So
yes,
this right
that's
here,
a good one.
you rub it on the crown of your head and it just kind of puts like you pray and you put a guard over your heart and it helps just enhance that.
Okay, so Dallas will be excited about this one.
Pine. Another freebie this month.
This was a freebie.
15
This one
around.
is
Good
fantastic.
one.
Actually, Dallas,
Super
this
manly.
is a very,
Woodsy.
happy smell. It smells just like a pine tree.
Just like it.
It's just, you can't really smell through there, but we have some open ones, so I'm not going to break the seal on that one. Okay.
We also have another freebie, which was a 5 ml of Joy, which is like
Do
very...
we have Joy?
Yeah, we
Oh,
have Joy. We haven't opened one, so we don't want to open this one yet. But yeah, very florally.
Yeah, that's it. Yeah,
Very
definitely.
womanly.
Very floral.
But if you're having, you can rub it over your heart, get a little bit of joy going.
Right.
Another freebie was a lemongrass vitality.
Yay, because our men actually use lemongrass as their cologne.
But it's good to
Well,
put in,
one.
people put it in like fruity
Oh,
drinks.
yeah, we talked because lemon. Yeah.
Lemongrass.
Yeah.
And then, gathering.
Open,
Ooh.
open. Here we go. Another one. I'm so excited about some of these. Okay.
Oh, it's a mix of like two different, it's kind
I
of,
feel like it's like wine. Like, you know, swish it around a
yeah,
little
you
bit.
gotta swirl it like one.
Wow, this is interesting. It's not very, like, strong. It's not
No,
a...
it's not overwhelming at all.
Oh, that's
And this was
nice.
free this month because of what my mom ordered. Oh, she's putting it on her hand.
Oh, snappers. Okay, rub it in. Okay, there you go.
If you rub your hands together, it activates the molecules and they go everywhere.
This is really nice.
Oh,
So is this what you put on before you gather with people you don't like?
yes. No.
I mean, family,
That's
that
higher
you love?
unity.
This is nice.
This is like,
is very
You've
nice.
walked into your friend's house. They've given you a
It
hug.
smells clean.
You're catching up. Yes, their house is freshly clean.
Oh, it's
'cause
totally
you're coming
that.
over.
It smells almost like that new house, like that.
New house.
Everything's clean. Everything's
New
perfect.
house, but their stuff is in there,
Oh,
so it feels like
it's
home.
beautiful. Yes. Oh, I like that
I
one.
like that one.
Okay, what's this one? Mr.
Mister. It's basically a cologne for guys. That's super like manly, but not like strong manly. Not axe, like
No,
Axe.
it's not. It's very
It's
powerful.
like a
It's kinda powerful.
high-end cologne.
Yeah, I like that one.
I like that.
A nice big pine. This is our freebie, right?
Yeah,
So we got a
we
couple.
got. Well, because I ordered and she ordered, so
We combined our
we
orders here.
combined. So we got that.
Okay, oh. This is a Christmas present. See nothing, hear nothing. She'll forget about it. Oh, organic dried berries.
These are incredible for you. If I don't have time to list everything they're good for, but I dare you to look it up. These wolfberries are incredible for your entire wellness overall. Your everything. It's actually in the Ninja drink that Young Living has.
If you are a Young Living member, get Ninja.
Order
is
it.
so great. I used
Order
that
the
while
Ninja,
Dallas was
yeah.
in the hospital, and I can't get these open. Do you want to help me out? I don't know if I can. While you're doing that, I'll pull out the next thing. Thieves Mints.
Oh.
They didn't have the Thieves Cough Drops because they were out of stock, and so I decided let's give the Thieves Mint because then you have Thieves. These are actually for Josh. Hi, Josh, behind the camera. Getting Thieves in you every day and good breath. So there's that. Still not here. We can. Scoot over this way. Can you not open them?
No.
You look weak on camera. Okay, do the next oil while I work on opening.
That's
these.
awful. So, as you guys know, I'm sure you know, my mom loves cinnamon bark
Oh,
in
I
her
love it.
tea, her chai tea. which is awesome. But then the rest of us like to use it in the diffuser because it smells so Christmassy, and it's just a really warm oil.
Go ahead. Go ahead.
Oh, they smell like candy.
They smell so good.
Mm-hmm.
Tell us.
Yeah.
Go ahead.
Ooh, goji berries.
Wolfberries.
Wolfberries.
Goji berries.
They come from China. They're
So, what do
dry,
you guys think?
but as soon as you start chewing them,
What do they taste like?
they're moist again.
Mm.
Almost like a mix of like beets.
Oh.
Beets and berries.
What do you think?
They're good.
I have a little bit. You know what this would be really good on?
You can boil them.
Top of your
Oatmeal.
I was gonna say your yogurt.
Cookies.
Yogurt. Chocolate chip cookies with wolfberry. I mean,
Not chocolate chip cookies.
oatmeal
Anyway,
cookies.
here's your cinnamon buns.
I could use no milk. These are good.
Yeah,
Oh,
they're good.
that one's stuck in my teeth.
They're
And then I also got a free joy and a free lemongrass. As well as, Gracie, do you want to debut that one?
what's that?
Sniffles.
What's
I
up?
use this like every day.
Practically.
It's for my nose, so it doesn't get like clogged.
For sniffles.
And
Sniffly.
sneezing. Does it
Yeah.
help you when you sneeze?
Yeah.
Sniffle, sneezing, the
It
seasonal
looks like
changes.
in like 10 minutes.
And this is another family favorite.
Oh.
We ordered the big one, the 15 ml, because this is the cold season. The weather's getting cold. The air's getting moist.
Baby, it's cold outside.
Just got a wolfberry stuck.
Just hack it
My
up.
son. Stop it. My asthmatic son has been doing the thieves tea, which has water,
Yep. Water,
honey,
honey, local honey,
Thieves.
thieves,
2 drops of thieves,
Copaiba,
copaiba,
and lemon.
and lemon.
Boom.
Oh,
It's a
look at you.
great tea. Josh, you're behind the camera. What do you think?
Oh, I like it.
Yeah,
Yeah, it's
I
very
love
good.
it too, just to drink it.
yeah. So
Well,
that's
true.
a really good one. And lemon, you can use that, Josh, for Gugon, for yummy smelling,
Everything.
for cleaning.
Cleaning,
Gosh,
smelling.
yeah.
And we also ordered a 3-pack of Thieves hand sanitizer, well, hand purifiers. So these do not dry out your hands like regular hand sanitizers. There's no toxins or chemicals in them, which is a bonus. And it doesn't strip your hand of the natural fighting antibacteria that we have. It has aloe in it, so your hands are nice and soft.
Yeah.
It has a little bit of peppermint and Thieves, so it's cleaning,
What?
disinfecting.
And you don't have to use like a lot of drops. It's just like barely
drop.
one drop.
Right.
Smaller than a dime.
It's
It's
we
like
could-
much
we could
smaller than a
literally
dime.
like show.
Oh, like a pea size, like a little, like a
Here,
green pea.
Let's give you Grace's hand.
Oh, that's good. And then you can walk up to the
And walk
camera
over
and
to
show
the
them.
cameras
Good.
and show them that before you rub it in.
It's like the size of a pea.
Show Joshy.
That small.
Okay,
Goes
now
over
rub.
your entire hand.
How do you do it? That's right, all over.
So we
Oh.
picked up 3 that way the kids can
And
have
then
it in their
smell?
backpacks, one in
In
the
the
purse, one in
car.
the car.
It smells like mints or like a fresh
No,
mint
it does.
car.
It does. Kind of spearminty.
Yeah.
Yeah.
It has peppermint in it, so you
Oh.
don't want to rub your eye afterwards. But
All right. Thieves. There you go.
it's a no fail.
Thieves
It's a
lemon.
huge immunity booster.
And this. Oh, this is
And it
not
smells
good.
like Christmas time.
Because Thieves
And it's
also
good for
comes in
cleaning.
Vitality.
It does.
And that's what we use this. It's coming up. Ninja.
It's the same oil, so you can use it, but
My fave. Citrus Fresh, which I found out somebody else uses Citrus Fresh. Josh does. He puts
Seriously?
it on his diffuser bracelet.
oh my goodness.
Huh. What's that good for, Josh? Why do you put on your diffuser bracelet?
I believe it's also good for immunity, or it's an immunity booster.
Yeah.
Yeah.
And it's good for
It makes you
boosting
happy.
your mood.
Okay, and
What?
what? This
Oh!
is a big Thieves sanitizer. Hand
Oh,
sanitizer.
that's for home.
Yeah.
So you can be
Yeah.
like,
But you're
Oh,
still
but
not
you
gonna
don't
need
need
much.
to pump. You don't need
It's
to
just
pump
a nice
it.
big one you have
"Oh,
around.
that
We're
would
really
be
big
fun."
on hand washing around here. This is just an added for when you're out, and this one when you, I don't know,
Yep, we need just a quick,
quick
swipe by.
quick
You
walk by.
transferred clothes and you want to
Yeah.
put some hand sanitizer in.
Is that one empty?
Yeah,
Okay, who wants to do the next one?
I do.
Okay, here we go. What's this?
This is Ninja.
Ninja!
I love taking this with Thieves or frankincense in a
Mhm.
little tiny cup.
Right, we just do about an ounce
Little.
each day. Everybody's doing it. This is what gave me energy when I was at the hospital with all the germs. I did
Yeah.
this and frankincense just to help boost my
Yeah.
immune. I was not half as exhausted. My head was, I felt so much
It
more
helps with
clear,
brain
and all the
function,
information coming at me because there was a lot of numbers and information. So, again, with the cold season coming, I'm trying to avoid anybody getting sick. So we have these single ninja
They're
packs.
overall wellness drinks, and they're awesome.
I'll
Ooh,
let
it's
you
a
do the honor
tiny,
of that.
cute one. Wonder what's in
Wow.
here.
Thank you.
Oh, mama!
What is it?
Ooh.
What is it? What is it? What is it?
It's your free oil for frankincense.
My
Big one.
favorite.
It's your boyfriend
Team
Frank.
I use this. I use this on spots on my face. I use the Vitality one. Drop under my tongue.
Yep.
This is
Immune
one of
booster?
my favorites. A little drop on my hands. Just inhale in, help that get all in. We
And
breathe
you-
in all kinds of stuff all day, so to throw this in, just to,
Yeah.
and, you know,
Okay.
what's that?
This
Ooh,
is
Another freebie.
another
Hey.
freebie.
the,
It's
it's
the
the
book.
book.
It's a book about how the founder of Young Living started essential oils. So it's pictures from where he found them and how he got it all started.
Very nice.
It is nice.
yeah.
I'm gonna open it.
Yeah, we'll open it. I'll use the scissors.
And in a separate order, my sister has been dying to get this. It's the charcoal diffuser, lantern diffuser. So this is metal,
Yeah.
but underneath is just like the desert mist.
Yeah. Like the desert mist.
Just like the desert mist. So you have the settings, and then you have this on there. Isn't that beautiful?
Wow.
So fancy.
Oh, that is
And
it.
these are like like glass.
Look at these pictures.
Wow.
Wow, that's really pretty.
And then it says like little tiny stuff
Little
on
things
the bottom.
about all of it.
So you're not
So
like
there's the book.
overwhelmed with all of
Oh,
it.
this book smells good.
Yeah, it does.
Smells like new book.
Ah, very cool.
You want to pull out
That's
So
the
pretty
that was
awesome.
a freebie. Yeah, you can pull them out.
Okay.
So
And then
we have more
Ninja.
because these are single packets, and so it's easy to pop them open, and then I break them up between the two people.
And because they're single packets, they don't have to be refrigerated. You can for better taste, but
I personally have had them where they're cold and
You
I'd
don't
say
mind
room
doing?
temperature. I wouldn't say warm, but like a cooler room temperature. Yeah.
but see,
think
I
they're
like
really good.
everything ice cold.
Well, see, I normally
So
do too.
personal
It's
preference,
either got to be
I
hot.
like
or-
it cold.
Do you mind it room like how we've been doing
No,
it lately?
room temperature, it's totally fine. It's just like if you want to treat yourself, refrigerate that puppy.
Well, we're gonna have to try that red drink. You can do that, baby. That's okay.
Yeah.
There's a red drink.
So
with
quite the order. Trying
Yeah.
boosting our immunity here, building up with wellness before we turn to anything else.
Yes, we're gonna start with our oils and then
Yep.
if we need
Diffusing,
some-
breathing in, killing all those airborne blech in the
Yeah.
air.
lots hand sanitizer when you're around sick people. Oh hi! Oh god, thanks.
Good to see you.
Ah!
That's the word. You're like, no.
Yesterday, I put on that little bracelet,
Diffuser bracelet?
the diffuser bracelet, and I put on these since we're going back to like do a checkup.
Yeah, we went to the
Hospital.
hospital.
I-
Huh?
Because I'm telling you, it's very powerful, but I like it.
That was
Very
smart.
smart.
So
Very
smart.
Thieves and immunity booster.
Awesome. Well, thanks
Thank
for
you for
watching. Comment if you have any questions. If
Yep.
you're interested in ordering a kit, I have another video on mine that can just quick connect you and you can get yourself a kit. I
Yep.
have a video on that also. So feel free to click around, check them out. If you have any questions on any oils, if you have oils and have questions, please ask below and we will get back to you. And
So like ditto everything she just said. Ask questions, comment, and click the link and get yourself some oils and go on this journey with us.
yes,
All right, subscribe, like, and see you later.
bye.
Bye.